am about to pick up my new Targa 4 GTS, and I am super stoked for you guys to follow me on this journey. We start with the front, which is the front of the car. Got some dope LED headlights. These side markers, definitely replacing them. They're gonna go clear. Can't do with this orange. We got blacked out rims with 20-inch Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. These are summer tires, so might have to switch them out for the winter. Carbon fiber rear view mirrors. Got the handlebar to match the Targa bar, which is also matte black in this case. And then got the beautiful back of this car, which is what everybody is going to stare at. Manhattan Motor Cars and Porsche, they're the best. Let's see what kind of backpack this is. Wow, look at this. Looks like it could fit a computer and maybe a couple Porsches too. So right now we're gonna take the car out and we're headed to Charlie's Chop Shop to get some work done on the exterior. It's a really cool feature of some of the newer edition Porsches. When you have the key in your hand, all you have to do is put your finger right here and boom, the trunk opens. We're gonna do a clear bra wrap all around the car, which is gonna protect it from all the rocks and all the things that fly up. I apologize ahead of time, but there might be some curses flying out of my mouth because people in New York City are terrible drivers sometimes, especially these Uber X's, and they like to cut me off, so I might be cursing a little bit here and there. Other than that, I'm a perfectly normal driver. I really love Porsches because the way they engineer and make these cars, it's absolutely incredible. When you get behind one and you start driving, there's no other car on the road that feels like it. It's almost hard to describe, right? And because of that, I've never looked back and can't wait to add more to my stable. This car can actually fit a lot if you think about it. Like, I can take this to a Costco and I can buy a lot of stuff and I can still drive home with it. But at the same time, this thing has 450 horsepower, this Targa 4 GTS. I can keep up with most other supercars out there on the road. This thing launches 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. It's pretty phenomenal. Can't wait for the weather to get good so I can put this top down, take this bad boy out for a nice spin on some curvy roads, because that's what these cars are made for. The way they hug corners at fast speeds, oh man, no better feeling. If you like Porsches, we can be friends. If not, I'll think about it. Guys, we're here at Charlie's Chop Shop now. As you can see, they are a certified ceramic pro auto spa. We just drove the car over from MMC to here, ready to get this baby wrapped, and it's gonna be wrapping some pretty cool stuff. They have technology these days where if you scratch the car with the wrap on, it actually self-heals. So it's kind of like skin that regenerates, if you will. So I won't be seeing it for a week. It's gonna be a sad week for me, but when it's ready, I'm gonna be the happiest person on this earth.